Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Country by county. Latin America, TP Brazil is clean and Binance once, and according to Chainalysis, less than 1% of all cryptocurrencies that came to Brazil in 2021 were used in some criminal activity. That's quoting Portal do Bitcoin's journalist Saori Honorado. Chainalysis estimates that Brazilians bought US $140 billion in cryptocurrencies last year, a number that places Brazil as the largest crypto market in Latin America and 11th in the world, she also said via Twitter. Bitcoinist also reported that Binance plans to acquire Brazilian securities brokerage. In a fast-developing market like Brazil, crypto can transform and facilitate people's lives, and as such, we believe in full collaboration with local authorities, that Binance has a lot to contribute in developing the community and ecosystem in Brazil, CZ said. Colombia, Peru, and Mexico experiment with crypto candidates to Colombia's Congress. Edward Rodriguez and Didier Carrillo manifested their support for Bitcoin in clear legislation. Sadly, elections were last week and neither of them made it. That's Latin America for you. Even though it's a fact that drug cartels prefer banks to crypto to launder their money, crypto entrepreneurs in Colombia and Mexico suffer the stigma of being suspected of money laundering. Trading at $0.00002238, landing at a higher low after its correction. It still remains the second largest meme coin by market cap at $12.30 billion. Latin America, tipping point. The region flirts with and rejects cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto remittances in Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela grew 900% last year. On the other, Mexico and Peru's central banks are actively working in their CBDCs. Which way will the scale tip? The jury's still out on that one. For the sake of organization, let's go through Latin America corresponding. SHIB has been holding up quite nicely on the charts. With various accumulations and burns going on, the digital asset has not had too much of a hard time of it, although it does follow general trends of the crypto market like every other coin. As for the large purchases made by whales and how they affected the cryptocurrency, the changes have not been that apparent. There was a spike in the price on Wednesday following this purchase, but not by a large margin. SHIB had moved from $0.000215 to $0.00002280 as the trading day drew to a close. However, there was a small downward correction that brought it back down to $0.000036. Shiba Inu is currently 50 DMA could interrupt the bullish attempt to sustain $0.000022. However, the altcoin trading below crucial DMAs, 50, 100, and 200, suggests the traders could find the path to least resistance downward. The MACD indicator performs a bullish crossover in the bearish territory, providing an additional confirmation to trendline breakout. Levels, gray, were plotted. It showed that the 61.8% retracement level at $0.000022 has acted as a demand region in the past few days. The supertrend indicator has also flipped from sell to buy in the hours before press time, while the RSI was above neutral 50 and showed momentum had shifted in favor of the bulls. The CVD indicator also flipped green to show some demand was seen in recent hours. Stellar Lumens, XLM, Stellar Lumens had formed a symmetrical triangle pattern, white, since the last week of February, and broke out to the upside in mid-March. Since then, the $0.1915 local resistance and the $0.2015 longer-term horizontal levels have both been converted to support. The Awesome Oscillator showed strong bullish momentum, and the Directional Movement Index also showed a steady uptrend in progress. The chicken money flow showed significant capital flow into the market as well. ApeCoin, Ape, in the short, while that this pair has been trading on Binance, the trend has been pointed to the downside. However, that looked likely to be broken. On the downtrend, the latest lower high at $11 was broken in recent hours, and the price has also formed a higher low since the $9.5 lows. Alongside, the RSI has also climbed past neutral 50 to suggest that momentum was in favor of the bulls. The OBV has not registered a higher high yet, but it does have higher lows, and this suggested increased demand in the past couple of days. Second use SHIB charts show a 42% recovery if this bulls hold this retest. The descending trendline initiated from February TOP, $0.000035, carried the recent short-term downtrend in Shiba Inu, SHIB. The memecoin lost 40% by hitting the $0.000206 mark. However, the recent price jump has poked the dynamic resistance, indicating a potential rally to $0.000033 monthly resistance. On March 10th, the SHIB sellers shattered the 0.00 this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bets